after I plug my fucking ears, I can't hear you, baby.
Then I want you to drink from this side.
On this side?
Plug your yes.
Yeah, right. Do I look stupid? My dick's gonna shrivel up the fucking nothing.
You want to give me a fucking
No, I'd rather have a fucking swinging dick. No, fucking thank you. No, I like you. You wanted to go porn on me. The last bitch did. And I don't even know her. Yeah, it's not in the back of my shirt. Just let it run down the fucking crack of my ass. I ain't gotta do this by myself. Gotta hold on to you while I do it?
Yes, I'm gonna help.
All right.
No, you gotta close your ears and nose. And
All
I will
right,
hold you.
all right. How about this?
Okay.
All right.
Plug your nose. Plug your nose.
How can he always got both his fingers in his ears?
You got all this, right, Sharon?
Oh yeah, more than you know.
Did it work?
You don't know. It's just like a ball.
I didn't remember because he said that. I remember they were going on. They both did all this Chinese.
Is it gone yet?
No, you tell me.
Your house, the restaurant.
Who the fuck told you that? No, I don't argue your results, sweetheart.
Bob, did it work?
I don't know. I ain't fucking burped since. What was it? Burp? What was I doing?
Hiccuping.
Hiccup. I ain't got no hiccups.